Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Core Plus, and let me show you how to add a lock screen on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here you should go to My Device, so it's the second tab, and simply select Lock Screen, so it's the first icon. And now click on Screen Lock to add it, and firstly select the way that you would like to unlock your screen, so you can have a swipe, face unlock, pattern, pin code, password, or obviously none of them, none of above. I will pick, for example, the pattern. So just draw the unlock pattern, tap on continue, and now you have to draw it one more time to confirm. Click on confirm, and now you can enter the backup, so it will be PIN in my case. You just have to remember that it must have at least 4 characters. Click on done. Confirm it by entering the PIN one more time, and obviously click on done. And actually that's it. As you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this pattern. Oh, that's not the correct one. As you can see, that's it. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.